Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can hide subpages or pages of your websites and Google Sites from the navigation menu or show them again. This is how you can do it, so let us get started. Head over to a website project on Google Sites, and for example guys, for that website template or project here, the page navigation menu is located here in the top right corner of the site or page banner, so you can navigate between your pages like the home page, the subpages of subpages, and so on and so forth, according to your organized pages here to the right, for example, right? So what you want to do is navigate from insert to pages here, hover your mouse over the given page you would like to hide from that menu, and click into these three dots here, and after that select hide from navigation, and there you go. As you can see now, that option has disappeared because all you will have for that website now that is visible is the home page. So, and you will see also the icon here with a strike through, meaning that this page is hidden from the navigation menu. It doesn't mean that it's unpublished or offline, it's just hidden from that menu, guys. So if you'd like to show it again or unhide it, click into the three dots, select show in navigation, and there you go. Now it is again available and selectable. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.